Hello, my name is Dominic and you also know me as a JourneyDude. I am documentary filmmaker living in Scotland, and for last 9 years I'm also known as a penmaker, and this is my story. Welcome to my woodshop and YouTube studio, where I'm handcrafting wooden pens which are used by Dalai Lama, Queen or many presidents, musicians around the world.
Hello, my name is Martin Poliacik and I teach critical thinking, speech writing, and I've been active as a politician for 10 years. I gave similar pen to this one to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. I gave a one like this to the President Andrzej Kiska when he was a president, and I do have one for myself as well, because at the beginning of every great speech there is a pen. And you need a special one.
My whole journey begins in High Tatras, Slovakia, beautiful mountain area in heart of Europe. I spend my time mostly in nature, climbing, hiking, or exploring the beauty with my camera. And this love of beauty of nature, history and heritage leads me to move to Scotland. Beautiful wee country full of amazing people, landscapes and history. My adoptive home. My wooden story begins 9 years ago. My humble starts in USA during my first visit there. I learned how to make my first pen. For me, it has been small miracle, because I made my first pen and I actually like it and I have it till today. During this journey I travel almost whole world. From China, USA, Latin America, parts of Africa or India. I was exploring possibilities, woods, drawing new designs or meeting incredible people who became my friends. My 9 years of skills made me to make around 4,000 pens, which find their new homes all around the world. Currently, I start preparation for Dubai Expo, where you will be able to find my wooden pens. And if you subscribe to my channel, you can be part of my journey.
Hi, I'm Jakub and I'm pastor. In my work I need to sign papers like every day, but with this pen it makes me feel special anytime I do, so I highly recommend it. It's the best pen you can have.
And if I describe my beginnings, I will describe it with phrase, master has failed more times than student even try. And I can say that I'm still learning, keep improving and moving to my goal, being well-known penmaker. If you wanna make a pen, you need to choose right wood. And luckily, I was able to stock hundreds of types of wood. I have pieces from both from 17th century, 2000-year-old buck oak or holy olive wood from Bethlehem. After you find right piece, you need to cut it, drill it and turn it. Work don't end up with this process, because every pen needs to be registered with certificate of creation, lifetime warranty card, and put to a luxury packaging box for enjoyment of unpacking.